Luxor. Yan, Kuya Lux. Oh my God! Yuhuu! Yehe! May kulay ang buhay. May kulay ang buhay. Dahil nandyan si Kuya Luxor. Shoutout to you, Kuya. Kumusta? Mas ginamos. Nauwi ka na. Grabe, enjoy si Kuya Luxor sa kanyang bakasyon. Vacationist niya with so many friends. Mga ito ayos. Ayan, buti naman at ayos ka lang. Ayan, masaya sa buhay. Walang inaalala. Oh, enjoy life lang. Enjoy life. Enjoy life. Ayan. Kuya Luxor Shorts video guys ha. Ayan, lagi po natin itong pinopromote si Kuya Luxor. Hindi po natin pwedeng kalimutan ito. Laking bahagi ito ng aking white hair. Malaking ano ito guys. Ayan. Kailan ba? Congratulations sponsor. Congratulations sponsor. Yung ano ko, giveaway ko sa July Kuya Luxor. Mga first week siguro kasi yung birthday ng kapatid ko sa July 3. Pero kasi parang hindi ko alam anong araw yan. Baka mag-Sunday yan. Ayoko magbunutan ng Sunday kasi Sunday kasi dapat hindi ako nagla-live pag Sunday. I-timing ko na lang siyang ng Monday. Hindi ko alam. Ano ba yung pizza na Monday guys? July. Ayan. Puntahan mo na lang yung playlist ko, si Almera. Tingnan nyo yung June 14 na pizza. Mag-sponsor ka ulit, kuya. Oh, message mo. Ay, sige, mag-sponsor ka. Ay! Uy, really? Tatlo na yung sponsor natin. Saglit lang. Wait lang. Message mo ako. Oh, lista ko muna si Abby. Si Abby lang yung bibigyan ko guys. Nauna siya sa live ko. Yung iba dyan, sala na natin yun sa entry. Ayan, wait lang. I-message ko si Kuya Luxor guys. Sayang din yan. Mag-sponsor siya para sa inyo yan mga darling. Wait lang. Yan, hintayin niyo ako. Huwag mo na kayong magmadali dyan. Para makarami. Madagdagan yung ating sponsor. Oh! Hello, basta na mama. Baligyan ni mama.
She's not talking. Oh, who wants a break? Me, please. Me, please. You can't nod your head. That's cheating. And you can't blink. What's the matter with Papa? He's never going to talk ever again. Why? Because she talks too much. I do not talk too much. Anyway, you're always walking like this. Look at me. I'm Susie Sheep. See what I mean? And you do this. Mickey That's nothing like me. It is a prince like you, Susie. You're just as noisy as me. I really can't. It's not me. It's not Peppa and you. Let's all
Isaglit guys ikuan mo ko na yung tindahan.